Hi there, I'm Liam and welcome to Fynlo. In this video, I'll show you how to add PayPal as a payment gateway so your clients can pay invoices quickly and securely. Let's start by setting up PayPal in Fynlo. From your dashboard, go to Settings, then click on Payment Gateways. Next, click New Payment Gateway and choose PayPal from the pop-up window. Now, you'll need to enable Instant Payment Notifications, also called IPN. Open a new tab and log into your PayPal account. Go to Account Settings, then Website Payments. Find Instant Payment Notifications and turn it on. Back in Fynlo, enter the email address linked to your PayPal business account. Make sure this email matches exactly with the one registered in PayPal. If you'd like, you can add a remark for this gateway. This is optional and just for your own reference. Next, choose the status for your PayPal gateway. Select Active if you want to start accepting payments right away, or choose Inactive if you want to enable it later. Once everything is set up, click Save. PayPal will now appear in your list of payment gateways. Next, let's send an invoice. Go to Income, then Invoices, and create your invoice as usual, or send an invoice you've already created. When everything looks good, click Send. Because PayPal is connected, your invoice will now include an online payment option for your client. When your client receives the invoice, they can open it online in Fynlo and click Pay Now. They'll be taken to a secure PayPal checkout page. Once they confirm the payment, PayPal processes everything securely. After the payment is successful, the invoice is automatically marked Paid in Fynlo. You'll see the update right away. No manual steps needed. And that's it. You've successfully added PayPal to Fynlo, and you're now ready to accept payments online. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Easier Payments with Fynlo.